Local news for Tuesday, the 28th of April. As part of the move to Alert Level 3, transfer stations in Masterton, Carterton and Martaborough are open with social distancing protocols in place. In Greytown and Featherston, the recycling centres only will open. Investigations are continuing into the light plane crash in Gladstone on Friday, which killed pilot Andrew Denniston. WorkSafe and Civil Aviation Authority are investigating the crash. Hospitality businesses across the Wellington and Wairarapa region are offering deliveries in Alert Level 3 and are eligible for a rebate of up to $500 per business. While a number of criteria need to be met, it's worth businesses looking into assisting their costs. And South Wairarapa District Council has released their annual plan consultation document online for community feedback. South Wairarapa Mayor Alex Bayan says they are critical areas that the council needs to focus on for the next year, including water issues as well as developing a multi-sport, multi-access sports and recreational space for Greytown. For the coming year, the rates increase will be 2.54%, followed by a 1.5% increase every year for the next 4 years. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.